Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we serviced a Ford Explorer. It was recently purchased from our friend. This car has 120,000 miles. We noticed that the ignition coil pack was cracked and the spark plugs also were never changed. The brake fluid and power steering fluid are also very old and need to be flushed. But today we will take care only for the ignition coil and spark plugs. We are located in Northern Virginia, and if you like your car to run as day first, please leave a comment in the comments section below. If you like to see the next project, please consider subscribing to this channel or consider sharing with your friend that live nearby and are having hard time to find trusted and experienced folks. Thank you. If you are planning to purchase a used car through a dealer or private seller, we suggest to check the maintenance history. And if there is a gap or lack of maintenance in the car history, we strongly suggest to perform these services and your car will drive you in your planned destinations or regular commute. Remember that it will cost you more to sit in the side of the road than taking proper care now that the car is parked on the driveway. Thank you again and see you in the next project.